what's up guys? Papa Japs is back again for another chill kwentuhan, good vibes, and of course, the coffee. Ayan guys, in this video, ayan, napadpad si Papa Japs dito sa Content Coffee. Located lamang sila sa Alitaya, Mangaldan, Pangasinan. If you're looking for a place you can relax, catch with your friends, and enjoy the good of coffee guys. This is vlog is for you. So guys, quick background muna tayo. Content Coffee officially opened last December 2025. Ayan, and they are open daily from 3 p.m. until 12 midnight. One thing I really like here guys is that the parking space is wide. Grabe ano, no stress when it comes to the parking. Big plus talaga to, especially kapag maraming tao. Pagkadating pa lang namin dito guys is kunti pa lang yung tao. So the vibe was super chill. Ayan, the moment you step inside, mararamdaman mo kaagad yung relaxing at atmosphere. The place is very cozy, very Instagrammable, and the design is simple but clean and pleasing to the eyes. Ano, mapapasabi ka talaga ng I'm content with this coffee. Perfect spot siya for the people who want to work, think, unwind, or just hanging out with your friends. So guys, while chilling and catching up with my friends, ayan, syempre, we started checking out the menu, kung ano ba talaga yung mga sinaserve nila. We took the time to choosing order, really much, grabe. Kung ano ba talaga yung mga pasok na panlasa namin guys. Syempre, alam nyo na, medyo napaaga nga kami ng dating dito, bakit nga ba? Because we wanted to make sure na may mauupuan kami. Since a lot of people na gusto talagang mapuntaan itong Content Coffee, not just for their coffee, but also for the other food and drinks they offer. Ayan guys. Around 5 p.m. guys, grabe, sunod-sunod na yung dating ng mga customer. You can really tell that this place is popular. May barkada, may couples, may solo customers. Ayan, just enjoying their coffee. Different vibes, different stories, but the same goal is to relax and enjoy. And finally guys, ito na yung mga orders namin. To be honest, super gutom na si Papa Japs at this point. So talagang na-excite na ako sa lagay na to guys. Even the presentation of the food and drinks was already impressive. Then after tasting them, ayan guys, oh, it was worth it. Good flavors, generous servings, at paniguradong babalik at babalikan mo to guys. So guys, if you are looking for a place where you can relax, hang out, and enjoy quality coffee, I highly recommended Content Coffee. Dito lamang din yan sa Alitaya, Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Ayan. Just a quick heads up, ayan, during busy hours, make sure na bring a little patience because there are a lot of customer and orders being prepared. But don't worry, the wait is totally worth it. Because at the end of the day guys, coffee isn't just a drink, it's a pause we all deserve. You'll definitely find yourself saying, I like it, I'm content this Content Coffee. So ayan, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. So this is Papa Japs and that's the Content Coffee stories. Bye! Kuya, ba't nilalamig kami uy? Nilalamig kami.